UPS, abort takeoff immediately. There's a massive flock of birds on the runway.
Negative tower. Same-day delivery is non-negotiable. We cannot delay.
There's over 100 birds out there. You'll have catastrophic engine failure.
In China, bird strike just means free KFC for crew. We continue mission.
This isn't a joke. Abort now before it's too late.
Relax, tower. We'll be fine. Oh no, that's way more birds than I thought.
Bird strike, bird strike. Your engine is smoking.
Tower. We're returning to land. Engine 2 collected too many birds.
What happened to that same-day delivery deadline?
Delivery delayed. But on bright side, we have enough roast chicken for entire crew.